Musa Party and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Jake.
Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. Hi! So did you see a group of pigeons? So did you know that pigeons were used as messengers to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine-footed friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome songs, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our fine-footed friends? Alright, to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ayan, to welcome our Blue and Gold Macaw named Amigo. The Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Alright, we have here some trashes. So first, you pick up the plastic cup. What's the next thing to do, buddy? Open the bin and drop it inside. Nice one, buddy. He pick up the pen. He walks all the way. Open and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. He pick up the crumpled paper. He walks all the way. Open and drop it inside. See if the bird can do it. Why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, Amigo, together with his fine-footed friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, before we proceed, can we turn off the flash of your phones? The flash of your phone, sir. The flash, alright? Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hardy, Barbie, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and you just wait for Carl. And macaws are adaptive, meaning when they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. For their diet, they like to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And there are more than 405 species globally, and blue and gold macaws rank as the third largest bird. Hi, Mom. Can you turn off the flash? Can you turn off the flash? Okay. Now guys, do you want to stay with me here? We want to go inside and get more food now. Okay, so now to stay with me. Steve, a round of applause for the flying macaws. Now for the next bird, he is very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Louder than one, say Jumbo! There you are, buddy. So here's your unique macaw named Jumbo. Buddy, can you wave to the crowd? Hi. Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? Hi everyone, huh? So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from head to toe, with a tail of 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Okay, cheers everybody? Alright? Last one? Good. And as you can see, most of their color is outside of their bodies and less color is under their wings. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? That's what everyone say, wings. So macaws feed their zygomatilis, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold their wings and climb. Now Mr. Ayn here is a grown-up. He will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets it reward. Alright, so look everyone, he can pull him out the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our birds. And as what I have mentioned earlier, the Jumbo is very special and intelligent birds. Do you want to know why? that's because Jumbo have to go to school, Tinnerbird School. So we have prepared two sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the spelling test first. So we have here 5 animal pictures: the zebra, the snake, the camel, the horse, and the tiger. Just choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Alright, we have some tigers and some tiger with Mr. Luli. Now Mr. James is preparing for the Jumbo letter. So let's have a short interview with Mr. Allen about Jumbo. Hi Mr. Allen, how are you today?
Fine.
That's good to hear, Mr. Allen. Now Mr. Allen, for the first question, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess you're not to stay here in the Philippines, right? Alright, I think we're all set, buddy. Sige, give me to the picture and do the spelling of tiger. Alright? So first, you pick up the letter T for the first letter of tiger, everyone. Nice start, buddy. And you pick up the letter I. What's the next, buddy? And you pick up the letter G. Nice one, buddy. What's the next? What is it? Is it D, E, or P? What is it? Still thinking. And you pick up the letter E. Alright, nice one, buddy. Last one. What is it? R or U? Still thinking again. And you pick up the letter R. So tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Alright, now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, can you give me two numbers between 1 to 10? Hand sign, how about this side? Hand sign. Okay, let's have some 7. How about this side? Okay, let's have some 4. Alright, let's try 7 plus 4. Alright, and everybody, what is 7 plus 4? Alright, so no answer, so easy. Now don't worry, so we will ask another question about Jumbo with Mr. Allen. Now Mr. Allen, I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Bread and cheese, fruits, and...
The Jumbo loves to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetable. And Mr. Allen, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Sapara.
The Jumbo studies at the University of Cebu Sapara, everyone. Alright, buddy, let's try them out. What is 7 plus 4? And you pick up the number 1. Nice one, buddy. Last one. And you pick up the number 1. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Is it correct? Alright, so round of applause for giving them all names, Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need volunteers. 1 kid and 1 adult volunteer. Just raise your hands and wait for Shark to approach you. So the kid must not be afraid of birds. Alright, you already have the kid volunteer.